Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the Noru Kuki mesh jacket. Been to our site, been to our channel, you've seen we've already done some reviews on the all-new Noru line. This is a price point bargain hunter line, right, that's meant to help new riders get into the sport a little cheaper or budget-conscious riders find a good quality piece of riding apparel. I would say thus far, everything I've seen is very well executed. I like this jacket a lot, okay? I just reviewed one of the other mesh jackets. I think it's a good jacket. I think this is a better one, and there's a little more expense here. Currently, this is $89.99. I almost laugh when I say that because it's super affordable, right? You just don't hear prices like that. This is $10 more than the other coat, and I think you're getting a whole lot more. Anyone called or emailed and I talked to them, I would tell you this is the one that you want to buy, just pass right over the other. Why am I saying that? Well, this one comes with a removable quilted liner, right? Vest and sleeves, so this is going to extend the seasonality of this coat. You'll be able to use this in the cooler weather, and then of course, with all the mesh that you have here, it's going to be a stellar warm weather jacket. I think they did a phenomenal job with this. Let's talk about sizing. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size large right now. This thing fits and feels really good. Once again, comparing it to the other coat, I like the feel that I'm getting here better as well. I think just overall the fit pattern, right, maybe a little better in the sleeve length too. Just overall mobility, this one feels a step up for sure. Reach in, pull the other $10 out of your wallet and pull the trigger on this one. Other features and benefits. CE certified armor in the elbow, forearm, shoulder. There is a memory foam back pad. It's not certified. It will offer a measure of protection. If you want to upgrade that, there are upgrades available on the site. There's some stuff from Force Field that'll fit, and there's some stuff from Noru. You can add that if you choose to do so. Volume adjustment is found here at the forearm, bicep, cuff, and of course, here in the waist. Reflective piping and inserts up here in the front of the coat. And then on the back of the coat. That's even more than the other jacket had as well. They use a nice little mesh stretch panel here on the inner arm, totally out of the impact zone. Kind of spans through the underarm area too, and that's going to help keep the rider cooler. Obviously, your armpit's a hot spot, no doubt about it. Zippered storage pocket, hand warmer style, both sides. Nice large entry to that too. I think many riders could get in there while still having your glove on, right? Uses a heavy gauge main zip. Those are just simply more reliable than some of the lighter gauge stuff. They stay closed, they hold together better. There's a little flap here so that the zipper's not touching the tank of your bike. Internal storage with the removable liner. There are 2 Velcro pockets. Those don't carry over to the actual mesh liner of the jacket. They're only in that insulated layer. But here on the left side, there is a zippered storage pocket at the left breast. Great place to put your smartphone. There's some other little pants attachment features we're going to show you in the second part of this video. If you can't tell, I really like this coat a lot. This one's a home run at well under $100. If you want to see more, stay tuned. We're going to take it off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, the Noru Kuki mesh jacket from the inside out. Once again, no idea if I'm saying that name right. This jacket includes a fully removable vest and sleeve insulated liner. You can see it's got some storage pockets that carry over to a little Velcro closure there. Larger pocket over here on the left side. Right? Quality of this looks nice. This jacket fits really good too. Out of their 2 mesh jackets, this one's $10 more, right, at retail. I got to tell you, I feel like you're really getting a nicer jacket with this one. If anyone called or emailed in and asked, which one would you choose out of the 2, I'm 100% going with this one. CE certified soft shell armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. Shoulder profile here, elbow profile there. This is some generic CE level 1 certified stuff, right? It's protective. I've crashed in plenty of CE1 stuff, and I'm still here to talk about it today. Comes with the memory foam back pad. This is upgradable to CE units. You'll find that in the Noru section of our website. There's other stuff from like Force Field that is in the same shape that would fit in this pocket if you're interested. Realistically, you do get a little bit of protection out of this, it's just not certified. Focusing on the shell of the jacket itself. When I look at the two coats, I prefer this style weave to the mesh. It just looks a little higher end to me, okay? Got nice reflectives, quite a bit of reflective here on this jacket, spanning across the shoulders. A little heavier denier fabric is going to be used in the impact zones there on the shoulder as well as the sleeves. Volume adjustment here at the waist is done with textile and Velcro. Get to the front of the coat, here in the arm. Motion panel in the elbow, right? You got a mesh panel up here in the shoulder, down here in the form, that's the real impact zone. You have a heavier denier fabric, volume adjuster for the form as well as the bicep. Entry and exit down here is managed with textile and Velcro. They have like a nice little, on the inside of the arm here, nice little stretch fabric that is perforated for airflow. Zippered hand warmer style pockets on both sides for exterior storage on the jacket. It's got the little flap that covers the zipper. Uses a heavier gauge zip. These are way more reliable than the thinner gauge zips. More reflectives here across the chest, up here in the collarbone area as well. Comfort lined collar. Get inside the coat. Zippered storage pocket here on the left breast of the jacket. Great place for your smartphone. There's the pocket for the back protector. There is a short zip to pants attachment that comes with this. This is compatible, of course, with the Noru textile pants. It has a belt loop attachment system, so you can attach this to the belt loop of your pants. Just kind of keeps it overlapping, so when you get in a more aggressive riding position, or if you happen to have a fall, it just helps keep everything covered so you don't have bare skin in that area. Nice little mesh liner on the inside of the coat. I think at the $89, remember this price is going to fluctuate a little bit. We addressed that earlier in this video. At the $89 this is selling for, this is a rock solid value. I really like this coat. I don't dislike the other one, but I think for the little bit more money, you're just getting a whole lot more jacket with this one than you are the other. Having this removable quilted liner is going to allow you to extend the seasons that you would ride in this jacket. When the weather's cooler, you just leave that in and you're able to go out, ride, and be comfortable. And then, of course, the riding that we all want to do is going to be the nice, sunny, warm weather, summer riding. This is so much airflow with this coat. It is going to be an outstanding hot weather coat. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.